Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. I got my package in just now, and I'm definitely about to open it. And I already know what it is because I'm about to install it in my car, and I know it's easy as hell. So let's go. Alright, so I'm back, and this is what it looks like. LED neon music lights, you know what I'm saying? And this is a LED strobe. This is two for the front and two for the back. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you how I do it because I know this is like very, very simple. Mad easy. You know what I'm saying? So we in there. So alright, there you go. I open it up and I'm gonna show y'all. It's four of these, like literally four of these. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two front, two back. They gave me like extra tape just in case right here. You know what I'm saying? And also they gave me this VIP thing or whatever, like for a warranty, 1-year warranty, which is good and all that. And then over here, this is a cigarette charger thing right here, the cigarette port, so I could just leave it plugged in. And then this is a control right here that I could control the lights, the colors and all that. This is the 3M tape back here, the double side. And also right here, this is the like instructions, like they'll show you. You know what I'm saying? This is a manual right here that shows you. And you can use your phone too. Like all you gotta do is download an app, and then you can just choose any color you want through your phone instead of, you know, just using the regular controller if you don't want to. So that's a good idea, you know what I'm saying? So in the back, they'll show you something too, you feel me? As pretty much as said right now, I'm about to install this, y'all. So let's get it. Alright, so I'm in my car now, right? And this is my stuff right here. But before I install this, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So you see underneath here, like where my wire's hanging out, I'm about to literally install it like right here. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the only area that I could put it. The same thing for the other side too over there, which is dark. But I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So, and then the back ones, the back part, I'm going to definitely show you how I'm going to do it. You feel me? Alright, so I'm back, right? And I'm in the back now. So look, I'm going to just install it like right here and all that, you know what I'm saying? At least right here so that you can see the lights and stuff. And I'm going to definitely do like a test like before I install it. So I'm going to turn my car on, then I'm just going to install it to show y'all how it looks, you feel me? Alright, so your boy's back, you know what I'm saying, and my lights is out here. I'm just gonna do a test on it real quick to make sure it works, you feel me? So right now, what I'm gonna do is turn this car on real quick, then press this button, boom, and it works. You know what I'm saying? It works and all that. So I just want to test it out. You know, this is the remote right here, the controls and all that. I'm gonna try it out to see what's what. You know, ooh. Okay, this button turned like green. Okay, RGB, okay. Oh, snap. Okay. Boom. All right, cool. All right. I'm gonna have to do settings on this right now. So I'm gonna just install this first, and then what I'm gonna do is do some settings on this and stuff, and I'm gonna make sure like it picks up, like while I play music, it picks up, you know what I'm saying? So, alright, before I install this, I'm just going to explain this to y'all real quick, you feel me? Because I know I've seen it on YouTube, but I'm going to explain how I'm going to do this, right? So, underneath here, I'm going to install the front parts, two parts, right? And then I'm going to run the wires through like the center of here. I'm going to run the wires through here, you know? Oh, it's too dark, hold on. I'm gonna run the wires through here, through all that, to make sure the wires is not visible, you know what I'm saying? Especially on this, I'm gonna make sure this is like covered by this and this as well. I gotta run through it, and then I gotta run it through the back too as well, make sure it's not too visible, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of talking too much, and I'm just gonna show y'all, so let's get it. Alright, so look, what I did is over here, like you see where the wires, I ran through it from, hold on, can't even see this shit, yo. I ran through it from over here, right? I was able to put the LED through here so that way I could just install it so the wires won't be like too invisible. So I'm gonna do that side, this side, and then I'm gonna do the back, you know what I'm saying? So that shit was easy, you know? So yeah, man, I'm pretty much done. I did both. I did the front and the back too. You feel me? So I did both of them, and I'm on this app right now. Like, it was telling me to download this app. It's called Magic Lantern. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's called. After you download it on the app, like from the app store, if you have an iPhone or an Android or whatever, all you gotta do is download that, and then you have to enable Bluetooth. That's what I did, and then you can change colors. So look, I'm gonna do this right now, real quick, before I leave. So I change colors. Look, boom, 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 boom. See, I could change colors through my phone, or I could do it through the remote right here. But I'm using my phone as an example, and I can, you know, I'm darkening it, and I can brighten it, so it's cool. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to do this music joint. Alright, so I'm back, man, and I want to show y'all this music thing. Like, it's not on, right? And all I had to do is press play, and it's gonna go. You see that? That shit is hard though, right? I tried to figure some other things out, but I wasn't too sure, you know what I'm saying? Because I saw some other videos when then lights go off and on and all that. And I'm trying to figure out how to do that, but this is the best I can do. And then what happens is that, hold on, I'm gonna stop this. So what happens is that if I go over here and click this, it's gonna disconnect, and then it's not gonna play it. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna turn this on, and then when I press this button, it's gonna go RGB differently. Watch. See what I'm saying? When I press this button, this moves different. You know what I'm saying? Like this button right here will have you do different things. You know what I'm saying? This is not even bad. You know what I'm saying? This music sync is not bad. I'm kind of not jacking it too much, but I still like these lights though. You know what I'm saying? Because when people see this, it's going to be like entertainment, you know, clubs and all that. You know what I'm saying? So, you know. But this is wavy though, you know what I'm saying? And I honestly want to thank everybody for watching this video. This is my very first time installing this, and I know my wires is hanging out for right now because it's like my first time and all, but I'm gonna definitely put them up, wrap them back around, because I don't leave my stuff out like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really enjoying this and all that, and I honestly want to thank everybody, man. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I got new videos coming soon. Your boy 534 is off this. Peace.